Hello, this is Ray Bowers for SCR 401 Capstone Project Alexa Make My Webpage Accessible. That's Team 26. And this is our fourth artifact review. So, goals for this sprint were to update our interaction model, finish incorporating our AWS Lambda, a final confirmation prompt that allows the user to edit their saved responses. We did some updating to the dialogue model, reprompting here for when a user gives random input that has nothing to do with the skill. We have handling for that now. And we also got some unit testing implemented with Travis CI and Bespoken. So to demonstrate the key things that were accomplished this sprint, we will start our interaction with the skill. The invocation is make a plan of action.
Welcome to the appeal process. Are you ready to begin?
Yes.
Great, let's get started. What is the root cause of the issue? You can say things like, the reason was, or the issue was.
So here I'll show the fallback and reprompt for random user input, which is actually a big deal because although the prompt there does tell a user how to respond, they still might say something random. So let's reply with whoop-de-doo.
Please explain why this issue happened. You can say things like, the reason this happened was, or the root cause was. What is the root cause of the issue?
And yeah, that's essentially it. That works on each of the three fields to fill out for the plan of action, and we're going to expand it for the entire skill so that from the moment of invocation till the end, any random input will be handled correctly. So we'll say the root cause was something.
You have entered that the root cause of the issue was something. Is this correct?
Say yes.
Okay. How have you resolved the issue? You can say things like, I fixed this by, or the steps I took were.
Say I fixed this by doing something.
The steps you have taken are doing something. Is this correct?
And now here I'd like to demonstrate use of the no function. When a user answers no to the confirmation.
Let's do it again. How did you resolve your issue?
So we can say I fixed this by doing a lot of things.
The steps you have taken are doing a lot of things. Is this correct?
Let's say yes.
Okay. How have you prevented the issue from happening again? You can say things like, I plan to, or I have prevented this by.
I plan to try harder.
The steps you have taken to prevent further issues are try harder. Is this correct?
And to that we'll say yes to move it along.
Here is your completed plan of action. You said the root cause of your issue was something. You fixed this issue by doing a lot of things, and this won't happen again because you will try harder. Is this what you would like to submit?
And as per our last artifact review, all of these responses will be saved in the Dynamo database for later reference if the user confirms here. But what we have now implemented is the ability to say no here. And
If you need to change more than one answer, I would recommend starting over from the beginning. Would you like to start again from the beginning? You can say yes to start over, Say no to change just a single answer, or say cancel to quit and finish your plan of action at a later date.
So yes, obviously we'll start over the entire interaction. Cancel, obviously, we'll just leave immediately. But to show the greatest functionality here, we will say no, which will allow us to have the option to pick which field specifically we want to change.
Okay, you can say, the root cause was, to explain the root cause of the issue. Or you can say, I fixed this by, to explain how you resolved the issue. Or you can say, I plan to explain how you will prevent this issue from happening again.
So we can go all the way back to the beginning, and we'll do root cause.
You have entered that the root cause of the issue was I forget. Is this correct?
And from there it'll save this. We won't have to re-enter the two following questions because those are already being temporarily saved. So we'll say yes, it's correct.
Here is your completed plan of action. You said the root cause of your issue was I forget. You fixed this issue by doing a lot of things, and this won't happen again because you will try harder. Is this what you would like to submit?
To which we say yes, and that'll complete the interaction.
Perfect. You have completed the appeal process. Please wait to hear from Amazon regarding the status of your reinstatement.
So that completes added functionality that can be shown in the interaction model. Also, the unit testing with Travis CI and Bespoken is up and running on GitHub right now. So thank you very much for